Guys, welcome to another tutorial, the solution journals. Today we will learn how to delete an Instagram account of your account center. So the first step is really, this process is really simple, really easy. And the first step is go to the application of Instagram. And after that, you need to go to your profile. Here in the profile, you need to go to account center. And in the option of account center, you need to go to the final option in accounts. And in this option, you need to pick in remove in the account you want to delete of the account center. For example, you pick here remove, and you need to pick here in remove account. And they explain to you will lose access to connect experience. This will not delete or deactivate your account. So you pick and remove your account, and you pick here in continue, and you complete the process. I don't want to delete my account, but this is the process. This is the resume of the process, the summary of the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.